These oxtails came out insane. Let me show you how I did them. First, you start by cutting the tails into even pieces. We are going to apply some salt on both sides and then put it in the fridge to dry brine overnight. You can do it for a minimum of 2 hours, but the longer the better. The next day, we're going to fill our hopper with some pellets. We are using 100% hickory, which gives us a nice strong smoky flavor. After the startup cycle is done, we are going to set up the smoker temp to 110 degrees Celsius. As a binder, I used 3 parts Worcestershire sauce and 1 part soy sauce, and then I coated them with a simple barbecue rub. Now that the temperature has stabilized, we go ahead and put the oxtails on the grill. As usually, I put the thicker ones on the right hand side as it runs a bit hotter. After an hour and a half, we are going to spritz them with a combination of red wine and water, and we're going to repeat that more or less every hour. 3 hours in, and the meat got that red mahogany color. Internally, it is about 70 degrees Celsius, which makes it a good time to start the braise. We will keep this very simple. A couple of garlic cloves, a splash of red wine, and just enough beef stock to cover halfway. Finished off with some rosemary in the end. Seal it tightly and poke a small vent. That keeps it braising without over steaming. We are going to increase the heat to 120 degrees Celsius. After 3 hours braising, we are going to take it off the smoker and rest it for 10 minutes in its own juices. Quick probe test, and as you can see, it slides in just like butter. Oh, look at that color. This is why we cook it low and slow. You know the drill, baby. If it's got meat on it, I'm gonna smoke it.